Imagine this, $4,500 landing in your account every single month without lifting a finger. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that many investors enjoy through the power of dividends. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, a way of sharing the profits. When you own shares in a company, you become a part owner, and as the company makes money, so do you. This isn't a fantasy, it's the power of dividend investing. Companies share their profits with investors like you. These payouts are called dividends. By building a smart portfolio, you can create a consistent stream of passive income. Imagine receiving a portion of a company's earnings just for holding their stock. This is the essence of dividend investing. Companies, both large and small, distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, rewarding them for their investment. These payouts are called dividends. They can be issued in the form of cash payments, additional shares of stock, or other property. The key is to invest in companies with a strong track record of paying and increasing dividends over time. By building a smart portfolio, you can create a consistent stream of passive income. This means selecting a mix of dividend-paying stocks that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is crucial to minimize risk and maximize returns. Let's explore how to make this $4,500 dream a reality in 2024. Start by setting clear financial goals and working with a financial advisor to develop a strategy tailored to your needs. This might seem like a lot of money, but it's achievable. With careful planning and the right investments, you can build a portfolio that generates significant passive income. Begin by researching companies with a history of stable and growing dividends. With careful planning and the right investments, you can build a portfolio that generates significant passive income. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your goals and market conditions. It's time to stop dreaming and start investing. Take advantage of online tools and resources to track your investments and stay informed about market trends. The journey to financial independence begins with a single step. Your $4,500 monthly dividend awaits. Embrace the power of dividends and watch your financial dreams come to life. Start today and secure a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Not all stocks are created equal. Some companies are more generous with their profits. These high-yield stocks pay out a larger percentage of their earnings as dividends. This is music to an income investor's ears. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Also, consider their financial health. A strong track record and solid financials usually mean more reliable dividends. Remember, higher yield doesn't always mean better. Do your homework before jumping in. Diversification is crucial. It's like having a safety net for your investments. Don't put all your money into one stock or even one sector. Spread your risk by investing in different industries. Think about it. If you only invest in tech stocks and the tech sector takes a hit, your entire portfolio suffers. But if you have investments in healthcare, energy, and real estate too, the impact is cushioned. Diversification is your best defense against market swings. It's about protecting your hard-earned money. Building a dividend portfolio doesn't have to be complicated. It can be a rewarding journey if you approach it with the right mindset and strategy. Think of it like building a house, brick by brick. Each step you take is a building block towards your financial future. First, set your goals. Determine how much dividend income you want and by when. This will give you a clear target to aim for and help you stay focused. Next, research and select stocks. Look for companies with a history of dividend payments and strong financials. Diversify your choices to spread risk and increase potential returns. Start small and gradually increase your investment. You don't need a fortune to begin. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. Finally, track your portfolio. Monitor your investments regularly and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market trends and company performance. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building a robust dividend portfolio takes time, patience, and persistence. Building a dividend portfolio takes time and patience. It's a long-term commitment that requires regular attention and adjustments. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Celebrate your small wins along the way, as they are milestones on your journey to financial independence. Educate yourself continuously. The more you learn about investing in the stock market, the better decisions you can make. Attend seminars, read books, and stay updated with financial news. consider seeking advice from financial advisors. They can provide valuable insights and help you create a strategy tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Think long-term. Investing in dividends is not about quick gains, but about steady, reliable income over the years. Like planting a tree, it takes time to see the fruits of your labor. Ultimately, the goal is to create a source of passive income that allows you to enjoy life more fully. With careful planning and consistent effort, you can achieve financial freedom. Section 5. The magic of compounding reinvesting for exponential growth. Reinvesting your dividends is like putting your money to work for you. When you reinvest, you buy more shares, which generate more dividends. It's a beautiful cycle of growth. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but gains momentum as it gathers more snow. Reinvesting dividends creates a similar snowball effect, accelerating your path to financial freedom. Section 6. Real-world riches dividend stocks that delivered in 2023. Let's look at some real-world examples. In 2023, companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble continued to reward investors with steady dividends. These companies have a long history of dividend payments and are considered blue-chip stocks. They are reliable performers, even in uncertain economic times. Investing in established companies with solid track records can provide a sense of security. Section 7. REITs. Real estate, real dividends, real potential. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are like owning a piece of the real estate market without the hassle of being a landlord. REITs own and manage income-producing properties. They are required to distribute a significant portion of their profits as dividends. Think shopping malls, office buildings, and apartments. REITs provide a way to diversify your portfolio and tap into the potential of the real estate market. Section 8. MLPs, energy pipelines pumping out passive income. Master Limited Partnerships, or MLPs, are another avenue for dividend income. MLPs operate in the energy sector, primarily in the transportation and storage of oil and natural gas. They are structured to pass through a large portion of their income to investors as distributions. While MLPs can be more complex than traditional stocks, they offer the potential for high yields and diversification. Section 9. Dividend aristocrats, the royalty of reliable dividends. Dividend aristocrats are the creme de la creme of the dividend world. These companies have increased their dividend payments for at least 25 consecutive years. Talk about consistency. Investing in dividend aristocrats is like joining an exclusive club of reliable dividend payers. They are known for their financial strength and commitment to shareholder returns. Section 10. Avoiding dividend traps. Not all high yields are created equal. Beware of dividend traps. Some companies offer sky-high yields that are too good to be true. These high yields can be a sign of financial distress. Do your research before investing in a company with an unusually high dividend yield. Ensure their financials are sound and their dividend is sustainable. Section 11. Your $4,500 dividend future. Start today, reap the rewards tomorrow. Generating $4,500 per month in dividends by 2024 is an ambitious goal, but it's achievable. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with a steady stream of passive income. No more worrying about bills or unexpected expenses. Instead, you can focus on what truly matters to you. By focusing on high-yield dividend stocks, diversifying your portfolio, and reinvesting your earnings, you can create a powerful engine for passive income. High-yield dividend stocks are companies that pay out a significant portion of their earnings to shareholders. These stocks not only provide regular income, but also have the potential for capital appreciation. Diversification is key to managing risk. By spreading your investments across different sectors and industries, you can protect yourself from market volatility. Reinvesting your dividends allows you to take advantage of compound interest, accelerating your wealth-building journey. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and be patient. The stock market can be unpredictable, but with a long-term perspective, you can weather the ups and downs. Consistency is crucial. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time. Watch your dividend income grow over time. Just like a seed that grows into a plant, your investments will flourish with care and attention. Track your progress, celebrate your milestones, and stay committed to your financial goals. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to build your financial future. Take the first step today, and your future self will thank you. Your $4,500 monthly dividend awaits. Imagine the possibilities and the freedom that comes with financial independence. Start today and reap the rewards tomorrow.